1920s, there was an overall turn to a somewhat more sense of abstract filmmaking in animation, and this, of course, had an effect. Well, throughout, I think it was both. It was live action and animation, but especially had an effect in animation. And I will say there was a lot of other stuff going on besides just, again, hand drawn around the world. There was some really bizarre puppetry going on and stop motion in general, and we'll get to that. I just kind of want to stay on this course because I want to kind of just keep talking about like handmade stuff, hand drawn stuff for a bit. So because of this abstract kind of new thing happening around the world, one of the most notable people at this time is Oscar Fissinger, who made short abstract animations, which were very influential. Sometime later, we would see this influence in films like Fantasia. So this was quite a departure from, obviously what was happening already with like character-driven furry animals, inanimate objects, anthropomorphous, whatever, come to life. So this is, talk about pure abstraction and just a way to tell a story with nothing. This is a really good example of also what was happening in the world of animation.